Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most jaw-dropping machines on the planet. Today, buckle up because what you're about to see isn't just a motorhome. It's a palace on wheels, a futuristic wonder that blurs the line between luxury travel and private aviation. This is the 2026 Luxury Motorhome, and trust me, once you step inside, you'll never look at road trips the same way again. At first glance, this beast looks commanding on the road, with sleek aerodynamic lines, massive panoramic glass, and a design that screams modern elegance. But the magic begins the second you enter. Push the automatic entry button, and the door glides, open like a first-class jet cabin. Inside, you're welcomed by mood lighting that shifts with your preference, rich leather seating with massage and recline functions, and a living area so advanced it feels like stepping into a sci-fi movie set. The floor is finished with premium marble-style tiling, and the ceiling features integrated LED constellations that mimic the night sky. Every inch is crafted to impress, and it's not just looks. This motorhome is built with smart technology that responds to your voice. Want to dim the lights, adjust the climate, or deploy the entertainment system? Just say the word. The living room is fitted with a 75-inch 4K smart TV that emerges silently from the wall, complete with surround sound that can rival a cinema. The kitchen is no less impressive, a chef's dream on wheels. It has a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, wine cooler, and smart storage solutions that maximize space while keeping everything elegant and minimal. The dining area transforms into a workspace or lounge with the touch of a button. And moving towards the rear, you'll find the master suite. This isn't just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary. A king-sized memory foam bed, retractable privacy screens, and floor-to-ceiling windows with electrochromic glass that tints for complete privacy. And yes, the bathroom could easily belong in a 5-star hotel, featuring a rainfall shower, heated floors, and high-end fixtures that scream luxury. On the technical side, this motorhome runs on a state-of-the-art diesel-electric hybrid system, ensuring both power and efficiency. It's equipped with solar panels, smart energy management, and even satellite connectivity so you're never off the grid, no matter how remote your adventure takes you. So is this just a motorhome? No, it's a private jet experience built on wheels. It's a moving mansion, a technological masterpiece designed for those who demand the absolute best. This 2026 luxury motorhome doesn't just take you places, it redefines how you experience the journey.